Very warm welcome to Pedureva Multi-Channel. Breast cancer. Something to be strange, it must have never written before, heard or talked about it earlier. In a world of physicians, professors and scientists, they all have failed to find the cause for breast cancer. There are hundreds of both breasts have been removed. Very recently after the childbirth, doctor ordered nurses to bring the child and leave her with the mother to be fed. But the nurses with reluctance said mother's both breasts are being removed for breast cancer. If you are little brain, it is not difficult to find the root cause of it. We know that the infants bite the breast when the flow of milk was insufficient. Who else has the right to do it on earth? Now you know what it is. I need not explain it in black and white. It is clear who is the culprit and who is the victim. Addicts under the influence of liquor is not sane. Remember, the wife is not your playmate. If you are married, you have to honor that holy bond. You have no right to inflict pain on her. Your brutal and beastly behavior must be controlled. I warn all women not to share the bed if your husband is under the influence of liquor. If you wish motherhood, think of your child to be born. You can rest of losing your breast, but the newborn infant should not be punished for the fault of both mother and father. Let us discuss matters regarding women who are above or around 50 or more. Some think their husbands may be dead or deserted. They have the freedom to move about freely and unsuspected. Furthermore, they don't have the fear of childbirth. These days, our people are reluctant to marry and go for a family life. They are tempted to do so due to their poor income. So the grown women become their target, and the women do find them an easy prey. So decency and fair play cannot be infused. So the parents and the elderly people should know how to show the correct path. If you share your husband's bottle, we have nothing to say but pray God to save their lives. Remember, it degenerates your health, wealth and dignity. May God bless you. Thanks.